Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova Y61, and today I will show you how you can apply tempered glass to this phone. Now, I'll be using a glass designed for a little bit of a different device like the Samsung Galaxy S11 Plus, but if I take it out you can see that this one fits perfectly over this display. There we go. It's like HUAWEI gets displays from Samsung. But anyway, so that's the glass that I'm going to be using. I do have a case on the phone, which does kind of give me a little bit of wiggle room. So if you have one on, it kind of allows you to put it in almost perfectly, even if you like mess it up to a little bit to the side. As you can see, it's not going all that much to the side. So if you manage to place it outside of the boundaries, obviously it won't stick to the device because it will be stopped by the bezels of the case. If that is something that you don't want to utilize and you just want to like do it without it, obviously you just take off the case. But I do recommend maybe keeping it on. It might make it a little bit easier for certain people. Now, second thing is the way I apply my glass is I do it at an angle, and I start off from the top side where I have the cutout for the camera, like this one, and I just align it perfectly here. I will also move it to the side just so it's evenly spaced out on all the sides, which allows me to do so also by pinching the glass and the bezels of the phone, so I know where it is, where the middle is. And from there, when I have it aligned correctly at the top, I'll start lowering it at the bottom of the phone and doing the same thing, just kind of feeling the bezels and then just simply dropping it on the display, which will then start glowing itself. So there we go, that's out of the way. Now, next thing is cleaning off the actual display. I'll be using a microfiber cloth for this, but your tempered glass should most likely come with, there we go, wet and dry wipe. Now, if you have ones that look like exactly like this, just toss them out. They're absolute garbage. They're the hottest garbage you can possibly find. In certain cases, the wet wipe will be dry, so it just completely defeats the purpose of it. And if you have a microfiber cloth, just use that. Now, if you splurge a little bit more on your tempered glass than the cheapest one that you could possibly find, chances are you got a little bit of a better wipes, wet and dry ones. Additionally, some of them will come with something like this, which I guess is also microfiber cloth, I think. And this will work fantastically, and some of them also come with stickers. Now, these stickers are simply used to remove any kind of dust from your display once you have cleaned it off. So now that we have all that out of the way, we can start off by cleaning our display. There we go. Now, if you don't have any kind of stickers in the box with your tempered glass, you can use still the microfiber cloth. Just give it like a swipe down, make sure that there is nothing on it, and then if there isn't, just go straight to applying it. The less time you waste, the less chance that dust will settle on display. So from there, like I said, I'm going to apply it the way I mentioned before. There we go. Now right now it's just kind of laying on the display. It still hasn't started like glowing itself, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of pressure. And we do have a little air bubble right here, so let's push it out. And it's gone. Now you will see that it did create a little bit of a compressed air portion right here. If you see this, what I recommend doing is actually lifting the glass up and then lowering it back down. And now it's gone. So there we go. We also have some like marks on those are on the actual like glass itself, so you can clean those off. You can see they're almost gone now. So other than that, as you can see, the tempered glass is basically applied perfectly to the display. So there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.